Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know, you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. Just hit that red subscribe button. It's absolutely free. It costs you nothing. It's $0.99. It costs you nothing, y'all. So if you like the video or the content or information, please consider after you watch the video to subscribe. Don't forget to give me my thumbs up and make sure your notifications are turned on if you're already a part of the Grateful Gang. I appreciate you all. I see y'all in the comments. Keep talking to me. Y'all know I talk back. So I don't want this video to be extremely long. I just want to share this information with a few of you. We're not doing my budget, even though you see it on the back screen. I actually want to share a website with you that I used to use when I first started budgeting, because I hear a lot of you who are cash stuffers who like to have the cash on hand, but some of you wouldn't mind putting it in the bank, but you have a problem with putting it in the bank because if you know it's in that bank or you see it in the bank, you will use it. So I used to be the same way. I've come a long way, thank God. But I used to use this thing called SmartyPig.com. And I don't really hear many people talk about it anymore. So let's see if we can get on here. I'm typing in SmartyPig.com. All I did, I don't think Google allows you to record on their thing. So all I did was type in SmartyPig.com, and this is the website that you come to. So on this website is ran by Sally Mae, so it is extremely safe. It is FDIC, I think, insured as well. It's whatever Sally Mae is run under, it's under that. And it is a savings account, basically. As you can see, it has rates up to 4.5 annually APY. So you're still going to get a good rate on your money, which if you're just keeping it in cash, you're getting 0 rate. So right now, 4.2 would be amazing. These are the different rates from 1 cent to 2,500. Any amount of money you have in here, you're still getting the 4.25 at this time. Now, if things change, I'm not sure if that will remain. So how does it work? I'm just going to tell you, let the website show us, right? So SmartyPig is a unique savings program designed to help you save for specific goals. Our goal planning system not only helps you map out short-term purchases like birthday gifts, new running shoes, not only long-term saving goals like a vacation or car down payment. I use this to save for a vacation and my emergency fund at one time. Saving goals may be funded with scheduled recurring contributions from an existing checking or savings account. So you can set it up or set it and forget it, which what I loved. I used to always forget it was there. It wasn't until they sent me my statement in my email that I remember, oh my God, I have money somewhere else. And SmartyPig was designed to put you in control of your own financial planning and independence by helping you build a save, then spend mentality, but being rewarded for doing so. SmartyPig also helps you stay on track with goal planning, helpful reminders, competitive interest rates, and referral bonus, and more. So all you have to do is set up an account, create a savings goal, and set up contribution. Now, some of you may be like, I don't want to set up a contribution. I just want to drop money in when I want to drop money in. That's also fine. You could set up the account, create goals, and deposit money into your account, and then pull the money into this. You can also transfer funds at any time. But the thing I used to love about this, now I don't know if it's the same, so I'm going to read it. We understand sometimes you need flexibility when it comes to savings. Fund your saving goals whenever and whenever you'd like. You may add or withdraw funds and from SmartyPig at any time. Now, with this, when I used to do this, y'all, this transfer did not happen instantaneously. And that is why it worked for me, because I would want to pull money out. I wouldn't put my full emergency fund in here. I'd put things that I just don't need to get for the next 2 to 3 business days. Because if I remember correctly, it used to take 2 to 3 business days to get this money out. So I couldn't use it on like, oh, I just want these shoes right now. Give me my money. I would know that I'd be putting in for the transfer and I'd have to wait 2 to 3 business days to get it. And by then I'm like, do I really need to wait? Do I really need these shoes? So I did love that aspect about it, but I don't think I would keep like my emergency fund that I need immediately here. And then you could share with your friends. For each friend you refer who sets up a high yield saving account with SmartyPig and saving goals, you will receive a referral. I think I did this when I was in here and did get like 2 referrals or something like that. So that's something else you can do. I will see if I even have a referral link, and I'll leave it down below if you're interested. I'm absolutely not sharing this for any $10 referral. I'm sharing it because I want, if this is your situation and you just feel like you can't save, this is a great way to save the money away from yourself. Okay. So let me put y'all on pause, and then I will go ahead and log into my account because I think I can still get in. All right, guys. So I was actually able to get into my account, which is hilarious to me because I'm just like, what? I feel like I never, let me see if we can make bigger, make sure y'all can see. I feel like I would have not remembered. It was such an old password, but I did get in. And so this is basically what it looks like. If you used it, they would send you a 1099 INT for the interest. And then you have goals and your account. You can add a goal very easily. I don't have any goals set up. Like I said, I haven't used this in a while. I'm now a Capital One and Learning Ally, but this was a great starter program for me. Profile, transfers, funding, joint ownership. Like if you wanted to save on a goal together, you could use that. Here's your referral friend. So maybe I'll get my link out of here. And Amazon.com gift cards, because not only were you able to save money, and here you could save your money and redeem them for gift cards. It was interesting. And so let's see, let's look at my goals. I don't think I have, it says 1. I think I meant to tell you guys about this back in October when I created my Creeping It Real my Creeping It Real challenge. And I never finished, but let's create one just to show. So hit create, name the goal. So let's say you're working on your emergency fund. And then a target date. So you choose one. Let's say by the end of the year, December 31st of this year, you want to have $1,000 in your emergency fund. You put the target amount, you select the category. We're going to make our face small so that we can actually do this together. You select the category. So you could choose one of these out of babies, electric, financial service, holiday, home, miscellaneous, shopping, miscellaneous. Miscellaneous would be most of mine or whatever, but I'm just going to put it under financial services. And then a subcategory, there's emergency fund right there. What else was there? Bills and taxes, education, down payment for something, retirement or other, and then reoccurring deposit. So you could choose whether you want a monthly reoccurring deposit, a biweekly recurring, or none. You could choose to just, now if you know you're going to be able to put $50 every 2 weeks, you could set it up in this system here to have it just automatically pull from that account. And then you could choose a benefactor. You'd have to click here to set them up if you wanted someone else to get it. And then you just hit save and create. That's it. Please confirm that you wanted to create this goal. You save and confirm, and that's it. Okay, look here, cookies. Congratulations, your goal has been created. I'm telling y'all, it was so easy. And then you go to your dashboard, and now you have 2 goals. So here are your goals. Here are my goals. There was Creeping It Real for $125 and an emergency fund for $1,000 at 4.25 APY. So as you're putting your money in here, so if you finish a saving challenge that you know you don't need to use right now, you could then put this money in SmartyPig and be saving it and making interest. And I promise you, you won't even remember it's over there because it's not in your day-to-day bank. You're not seeing it every day. At least it worked like that for me. And so let me see. Can I say some of my old ones? I wonder. I don't know. Hold on. Okay, so from here, you can click on one of your existing goals. You can click on either one, and it'll show you a breakdown of what you saved, what your goals was. If you had any recurring deposits set up, what your target date was, how far along you are on your progress. And then you can create another one from here, create another one from here. And then, so here I can see I had closed goals. So y'all, like I wasn't kidding. Back in 2018, I was planning for a Georgia trip for $300. 2017, I think, is when I started using it. I wanted to go to the Virgin Islands. Child, I only put $10 in there. But my emergency fund, I almost got to 500, I had put in $465 on my $500 goal just to get a $500 emergency fund, y'all. Like, it always hasn't been this easy for me. I've had to start from scratch. So And then we had a 52-week challenge in 2017 that I was trying to get to a goal of 13. So I was using this program. Like it's not, I'm not making this up. So yeah, I think it was a great thing for me. I'm just putting it out there for anyone who would like to do it. I'm going to see if I can get a refer a friend code down there. I'll put it down there. If you do decide to use this or sign up or, put your money over here. It was a great thing. No one ever got to my money. Like I said, it's FDIC insured. It's under Sally Mae. You get a great APY, and it's another place where they send you monthly statements. And I promise that's the only time I remember that I actually had money over there. So if you're looking for a different source other than your bank that's not so easily accessible, then definitely consider SmartyPig.com. And the last thing I want to bring to your attention is the transfer. You're like, girl, how do I bring my money in and out? So you'd hit the transfer button, or you'd hit the transfer funds button up here. As you see, it brings you to the same exact place. And then all you do is you select your source. So you would have to be transferring either from one of your accounts that you have set up. So like my emergency fund or my Keeping It Real fund or my bank. And then I'm transferring to one of the accounts or back out to my bank. So I've always had Capital One for a long time. You just pick from and where you're transferring your funds from, and then you put how much money from 0 to 50,000. So you can only save up to 50,000 in here, I believe, or you can maybe save more, but you can only transfer up to 50,000. Now, this is what I was talking about. It says, please note, available funds are funds that have settled into your account for no less than 5 business days and are available to transfer. So that's what I'm telling you. You can't just put the money over there. If they haven't settled in your account for 5 days and cleared everything, you can't transfer them right back out. So that's why I'm saying it's a good thing if you don't need the money right away. Like if you're saving for something long term and you want to keep money on your vacation money, make some APY, some interest on your APY, some interest on your vacation money that you're saving, and you know what date you're going on vacation, then you can plan to take your money out in time. And it's not an impulse pull, but you don't have to keep the money in your house, just not making any extra money. Just something to think about, y'all. I'm not going to beat a dead horse. That's basically all of them. The dashboard, your SmartyPig account, your goals, your activity, your transfers. We talked about that, your profile, and the message center where you can send them. You can send a message to them. But that's it, y'all. There's really not much to it. See, it is a member of FDIC. I'm not just making that up. Yeah. So my link will be down below if I can find it. And I hope this was information that is going to help someone. If you might consider it, definitely let me know down below. If you knew about it already, let me know down below. If it's the first time you're hearing about it, let me know down below. I mean, basically just talk to me in the comments. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, order to be great. You have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, Bye. Just hands. Bye, you mean it, bomb.